Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, November 28th. November 28th. And what do we have on the docket today? From a news perspective, we have 9 a.m. We have housing composite index. One is a orange item, and the HPI month over month is a yellow item. I believe housing is a big deal, and I follow it because the trickle effect from housing is huge, and it really does affect not only the local economies but nationwide as well. 10 a.m. we have consumer sentiment, or I should say consumer confidence. At 10 a.m. Richmond Manufacturing Index, and we have some talking heads. We got a bunch of talking heads. We've got Goolsby at 10. We've got Waller at 10:05. We've got Bowman at 10:45. And we've got ECB President Lungardi speaking at 11 a.m. MPC member Haskell speaking at 12 noon from Great Britain. And member Barr speaking at 1:05, also speaking at 3:30. So lots of talking head action today, which means a lot of, nothing of significance, I'm sure. It is what it is. So take that into consideration. Certainly want to be aware of what's going on around 10 a.m. Otherwise, I would ignore the rest of it. That being said, looking at the daily chart, we are gapping down a little bit today. That would be the third day down. Remember, the market loves patterns or sequences of 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So that would be a 3 pattern if we were to get it, which means we could continue to go down today, and then tomorrow be an update. That would complete the 3-day pattern. That being said, where could we go? I think we could easily test these highs around 4,600. Low on the downside, I think we could test this 4,500. So 4,600 to 4,500 is the kind of the upside downside range. It is what it is. Yeah. Okay, going to the 60-minute. What do we have action? We had down action yesterday. We had down inventory. These are correlated. As long as they're correlated, we're not too worried about it. It's whenever one of these is opposite of the other that becomes significant. It doesn't happen very often, but it's something we always look at. So nothing to say about that. Intraday, support and resistance levels. First, the overnight was about 20. No, it was less than 20. About 17 points, which is a low side. So volatility is a little bit lower than expected overnight. What do we have? Overhead resistance. Overhead resistance, there is some around 45.61, 45.70, 45.80, and 45.97. However, none of these levels are like huge, and there's not a lot of confluence around them. Support, on the other hand, you can see how this is much tighter here. 45.23, 45.09, 44.86 are your intraday levels. Stock Traders Almanac for today, historically, 57.1, so a slight positive bias, 57.1 from the stock market almanac right here. If you guys don't have one of these, they are awesome. It is the, here we go, Stock Traders Almanac for 2023. I'm going to have to get a new one here very shortly. That being said, great statistics book if you like statistics and probabilities. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.